Hi, and welcome to Gerry's Engineering Corner. My name is Gerry DiBattista, and I am the Global VP of Porex's Virtek PTFE business group. Today, we're going to continue on the theme of sustainability. If you had watched my last video, we were talking about some surgical equipment and using surgical wraps for sterilizing equipment. We talked about blue wrap and the problem with the waste of blue wrap versus using a sterilization box for sterilizing hospital equipment. Well, using a sterilization box itself is a great move towards sustainability. However, the majority of them on the market still use a disposable filter. So what you do is you would take the lid, put a filter in, put your equipment in, close the box, goes through the autoclave. When it's done, the lid is removed, holder is removed, and the filter is thrown away. Put a new filter in, repeat the cycle. Problem with disposable filters is they are very thin, very paper-like, and they can wrinkle, they can deform, they can be put in crooked. They take some time to make sure they're seated well, so it's a waste of resources there as well. And and they can be problematic. Another thing which can easily happen is, as I showed before, with the blue wrap, these things can poke very easy. As you can see, sharp equipment can go through the product very easy. Of course, the alternative is to use a Porex Virtek filter. These filters are designed to last at least 1,000 cycles or even more. You go right in place, set it, and forget it. So you ask, how do I know how long I had it in it? Well, another nice feature of Porex Virtek is that you can write on it. As you can see, very easy to write the date it was installed. You can even put change on whatever. You can write how many cycles it can go through. Very simply. And so you can imagine one of these can last 1,000, 2,000 cycles versus having to use thousands of these. And when you do that, you create a lot of waste, which has to be disposed of like medical waste. Well, that's it today for me, Gerry with a G.